In this quick explainer video, I'm going to take you through a case study using the Real Estate Council of Alberta as a good exemplar on how quality e-learning can help an organization achieve both ROI, or return on investment, and ROE, or return on expectation, based on proven metrics. Real Estate Council of Alberta, or RECA, is a regulatory and educational body that provides courses to pre-license and relicense industry professionals in the real estate, property management, and appraisal spaces. Before engaging media learning systems in 2009, RECA had a major problem with their courses. They struggled with high dissatisfaction voiced by students based on their mostly text-based e-learning. Professionals had less than a 60% pass rate in regulated final exams, and over 5% had complaints lodged against them to the council based on poor practices once they were working in the industry. Using both the AGES and Merrill's models for adult learning, courses I created with my team engaged all learning modalities. We didn't just instruct learners, we also had them construct their learning using case study scenarios, interactive video, and simulations like filling out real estate contracts that were scored by the computer with feedback. Exit surveys were collected in their LMS that comprised of various questions aggregated to produce satisfaction scores and perceived knowledge mastery. Final exam scores were correlated to paint a picture of competency, and sanctions of industry members were used to determine how well industry professionals performed in the community once licensed. Over 92% satisfaction with our courses was consistently achieved over 11 years working with RECA and 40 courses completed. Almost 90% of students passed their final exams, and less than 1% received sanctions from the council. Those who were sanctioned had to retake the course as part of their penalty. In all, RECA has become a success story for other councils around the world, receiving top recognition from the real estate licensing body Orelo, with 12 distinguished awards for its courses, and from Brandon Hall as recently as 2019. Let Media Learning Systems help you achieve similar success with our well-designed e-learning solutions, because your workforce deserves tomorrow's e-learning today.